When you need galley carts repaired quickly, efficiently and at a reduced cost, how important is it to have the right partner? Whether you need repair services at a single station, inspection in the kitchen, or global repair services across your network, Unilode can help you. We operate the world's largest galley cart repair network, so that your galley carts are repaired quickly and efficiently and returned to service fit for the galley, making your inventory more efficient while reducing your inspection, maintenance and repair costs. We can also do much more than this. Our online repair management software, Actis, not only helps you run customized reports to monitor your operations and controls costs with increased transparency, it also provides you with a unique solution to track your galley carts. Utilizing tablet-based technology to monitor inventory and maintenance records, helping you comply with all regulatory aviation requirements. We provide repair services to airlines all over the world. So talk to Unilode and learn about how we can help optimize your galley cart fleet.